The top 5 best-selling vehicles in the United States, presented by Cars and SUVs.info. Coming in at number 5 is the Toyota Corolla Sedan, and for 2023 model year it gets some upgrades that customers are bound to love what they see and drive. The line expands with 4 new hybrid grades, including a more powerful hybrid system and available all-wheel drive. The LE, the most popular grade, now has the 169 horsepower, 2.0-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine used in all other gas grades. Replacing a 139 horsepower 1.8-liter engine, it offers much more dynamic performance, 0 to 62 seconds quicker than with the 1.8L engine. Yet, it is also more efficient, improving on the previous engine fuel economy ratings by nearly 2 miles per gallon with a manufacturer-estimated 31 city, 40 highway, and 34 combined mpg. Coming in at number 4 is the Honda CRV, and the 2023 model year it is all new and available in 4 trim levels, including the new hybrid-powered and even more boldly styled CRV Sport and Sport Touring as the new top-of-the-line models in the CRV lineup. With a new, more advanced hybrid electric system, they offer the most fuel-efficient and sporty driving experience and serve as a key step in Honda's electrification strategy, eventually to represent up to 50% of CRV's annual sales. Coming in at number 3 is the Toyota Camry, and for model year 2023, the Camry offers 18 different choices, offering a model for nearly every budget and taste. Notably, for 2023, the Nightshade Edition is offered on all 4-cylinder and hybrid models. With such a wide array of model choices, alluring, coupe-inspired design and renowned Toyota quality and value, it's no wonder Camry has been the #1 selling midsize sedan for 20 straight years. Coming in at number 2 is the Toyota RAV4, and with a boldly chiseled design inspired by Toyota's tough trucks, this latest RAV4 amplifies the desirable crossover traits that made the first RAV4 an instant success a quarter-century ago. Depending on model grade and options, the current RAV4 can be whatever the customer needs it to be, from the exceptionally well-equipped LE model to a technology tour de force plug-in hybrid, with various levels of luxury and adventure in between. Ford truck, which is America's best-selling truck for 43 years. As they say, it is built Ford tough with an all-new high-strength steel frame and high-strength, military-grade, aluminum alloy body. We see it as our duty to deliver not just what our customers want and need, but what they never thought possible. It is available with the only full hybrid in the segment. Available PowerBoost provides targeted best-in-class horsepower and torque, and a targeted EPA-estimated range of approximately over 700 miles on a single tank of gas, and at least 12,000 pounds of maximum available towing capacity. It's available across the lineup from XL to Limited. It features a tailgate work surface. Available tailgate work surface provides built-in rulers, mobile device holder, cup holder, and pencil holder. It has more standard Ford Co-Pilot360 driver assist technologies. The 2021 F-150 has more standard Ford Co-Pilot360 driver assist technologies, aiming to help people more safely and confidently face congested roads, today and tomorrow. Sync 4 has twice the computing power of the previous generation system, helping make your day more productive and enjoyable with available conversational voice control, available real-time traffic and customizable information on demand. Now with a larger digital gauge cluster, a new customizable 12-inch digital instrument panel is available featuring impressive graphics and animations. It responds to the truck's selectable drive modes and displays truck data and off-roading information as well as turn-by-turn navigation. Real-world truck customers love the available large 12-inch display. Landscape-oriented display allows for split-screen app or feature viewing. They also love the available lockable rear under-seat storage, then folds flat, and as dividable storage extends the width of the interior under the rear seats and allows for safe storage of valuables. Great for long items like hunting gear, fishing rods, or blueprints. This video is presented by Cars and SUVs. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.